everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make the viral TikTok chopped sandwich, so let's get started with the video. First, add some shredded lettuce to a cutting board. Next, place a couple of slices of the deli meat of your choice on top of the lettuce. I added about 3 to 4 slices of turkey. Then add some sliced provolone cheese, sliced tomatoes, sliced onions, and sliced banana peppers. Next, take a sharp knife and chop everything up really well. Make sure to mix everything up while you're chopping. Once you finish chopping everything up, add some deli dressing. By the way, if you don't have deli dressing, you can just use olive oil and Italian seasoning instead. Next, add some red wine vinegar, mayonnaise, salt, and pepper. Then continue to chop and mix everything together until well combined. When you're finished, scoop the chopped mixture into a sub roll. And that's it, you are all finished. All you have to do now is plate it and enjoy. And this is the finished result. This chopped sandwich was absolutely delicious. It's an easy and quick sandwich with a bit of everything in every bite. By the way, you can customize your sandwich any way you like. This is just the way I like to make my chopped sandwich. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!